Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how overdraft loan will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. I will search file number customer from search bar and let's click on the loan. Okay, so we need to select here business loan and amount. So let's say amount is 1 lakh. Rate of interest 3% monthly, and here you need to select the overdraft. So overdraft I have selected, and for 6 months. So let's select the old date so we can see the calculations. So I will select 5 January 2024 and just calculate, and you can save this loan. So here you can see loan number 47 is created. Now you can search this 47 from the search bar. Loan. You can search that loan. So this is old loan, and you can see if I go to the installment tracker, here you can see loan interest is coming like this. Means every installment is interest and remaining is the principal. Now let's say on first Feb the interest is occurred 2997. Now let's say we will receive on first Feb we will receive 3000 and just click to receive. Now you can refresh this loan number 47, and go to the installment tracker. So here you can see what happened. Interest of February 2997 is received, but the remaining amount, remaining 3, is received in principal. So in overdraft loan, what happened? The only interest of that month we can receive. We can't receive excess interest at in advance. We can't receive any interest. So we can receive that month interest only. Now, if you go to the 1st March interest is 3087. So if I go to the received column and I will select 1st March and I will receive again let's say 4000, and I will receive this. Now you can refresh this tracker and check what happened. So 3087 received as a only interest of that March month, but 913 is received as a principal. It is not getting received, means the next month interest it is not received. So you can do one thing. If I go to the 1st March again, 1st March, and I will receive again let's say 2000. So what happened here? You can see interest is not received. It is adjusting in principal. Means in overdraft loan only that month interest only you can receive. If you receive excess amount of interest, the system will adjust in principal like this. Hope you understood this concept, and the loan limit, loan top up also I will explain in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.